Hello everyone, I am Rajesh Sharma in front of you. After the previous video, impulse of, now we discuss about the Newton third law of motion. What is the Newton third law of motion? We know that every action just opposite equal to the action. To like as when the person to be throw the ball, to like as the given diagram, if the force applied at a ball from the direction 1 to 2, because 1 is that is represented the ball and 2 that is represented the wall. When the ball is thrown in the direction of the wall, then applied force is F12, and afterward when it will be strike on the wall and it will be returned on the opposite direction, because when the ball is strike, that is also behave as the paper that was the east, and after collision then ball is returned on the direction of west. That will be the equal amount of the forces is applied, but the direction is opposite, and it is also followed to the Newton third law of motion. It was mathematically represented in the form of calculus to like as vector F12 that is also equal to dp12 upon dt, and F21 that is also equal to the minus dp21 upon dt. It will be mathematically represented in the form of calculus, and we observe the many examples of the Newton third law. To like as when the person is applied the force on the trigger of the gun or rifle, then he also observed that when the bullet fired in the forward direction, but our gun to be go in the backward direction, that is also followed to the Newton third law of motion. And another word, we can be say that the momentum of the object to be changed. Okay students, now we discuss about the another important topic in this chapter. In our daily life, the many example of the friction. What is the friction? A force is applied in the opposite direction of the motion, that is known as the friction. Friction is an important application in our daily life. That was generally three types. First is static friction, second limiting friction, third kinematic or dynamic friction. Now we discuss about our topic, what is the friction and how it will be work in the different appliances and how many types. What is the friction? A force applied in the opposite direction of the motion, it is known as the friction. To like as if the body is moved in the direction of east to west, then the friction is applied at the body in the opposite direction from west east to west. That was the easier example of the friction. When a person is ride a bicycle, we observe that when he applied the force on the pedal, by and by the bicycle go in the forward direction, but person is after some time that will be behave as the fatigue, because when the force applied on the pedal and earth is also applied the friction in the opposite direction of the bicycle wheel and try to the body in the come about in the rest motion. That is the example of the friction, but in that time then friction is applied at the body, that was the kinematic or dynamic friction. Now we discuss about the how many types of the friction and how it is a function in our instruments, our body and the different appliances. Now the first discuss about types of friction. First is static friction. Second, limiting friction. Third, kinematic or dynamic friction. That is generally three types of friction, and it is also very useful in our daily life. What is the static friction? Now we discuss about the first static friction. What is a static friction? When any object in the rest motion and the friction applied at the body, that is the example of the static friction. To like as when the paper or book on the table in the rest motion, in that time the two bodies are contact to each other, the upper level of the table and the lower level of the book, that will be contact to each other, and it is also try to the capture to the each other. In that time the friction is behave as the static friction because the object in the rest. Now the to like as it will be easily represented. If any object to like as metallic box placed at the rest motion or rest position at the rectangular box, we observe that the both body are contact to each other. In that time, then friction is applied at the body. That was the static friction, and it is denoted by Fs is equal to mu s into R, because capital R, that is known as the normal reaction force, and it will be always function at the body in upward direction, and the direction of the weight is always downward because the center of gravity is function at the body, and the mathematical relation of the written in that form Fs is equal to mu s into R. What is the Fs? That is the generally value of the static friction, capital R, because in that time the figure is represented body in the rest, then the friction is static. The value of the static friction, that will be depend upon the contact of the two objects, and the value of the coefficient of the friction, that is denoted by mu s. That was the coefficient. What is the coefficient? That was the constant value of the friction that will be applied in the different cases, but in that term the object to be in static motion and the friction that is behave as the static, and the value of the coefficient of the static friction, that is also depend upon the nature of the substance the body are contact to each other. Now the another is relation capital R. What is the capital R? It was the mathematical relation of the normal reaction force. What is the normal reaction force and how it will be function at our body? To like as when the person to go in the lift from downward to upward, we observe that our body have a some weight, but the person to be from the downward to upward, that the weight to be feel it. If the body is come about from upward to downward, in that time the person in the lift, it is also behave as the body have no weight. That was the normal reaction force of the body to be zero, and the person is also behave as the weightless. In another case, when the astronauts go in space, then afterward it will be feel at the space, there have the no weight and body is swim into the air here and there, because in that time the normal reaction force of the body to be zero and the person to be felt, and it is also behave, also feel as the body have no weight. Now we discuss about the what is the effect of the normal reaction force. To like as when the any person to be walk at the marble or any smooth surface, if the surface is covered with help of the oil or any smooth substance, to like as petrol or diesel, when the person try to ride or walk on the surface, then the center of the gravity of the body to be changed and person to be felt in free fall, because in that time the two forces is function at the body to like this. From the center of gravity, the force applied in downward, that is called a weight. At the center go to the upward, that was the normal reaction force. If the normal reaction force of the body to be zero, then person to be feel weightless or free fall. That was the concept of the weightlessness or the free fall in the different important appliances to like as the spacecraft, lift, etc. Now we discuss to the another type of the friction. What is the limiting friction? What is the limiting friction? When the body is try to the transfer from the static friction or static position, or the body try to come about in the motion, that the friction is applied at the body, it is known as the limiting friction. It was generally represented by name limiting, where the person to be lost their limit in the term of static friction and body is try to come about in motion, that is known as the limiting friction. To like as when the person to be sit on the bicycle and he will take the position and cover the both handle with hand, and afterward he put their feet on the pedal and try to the applied force on the pedal and body is come about in motion. That was the before position of the motion and transferred from the statics and try to the come about in motion, then the friction is applied at the body. That was the limiting friction, that was the last state of the static friction, and body is also behave as the motion. And the second important friction at the body is function at, that is known as the limiting friction. It is generally represented by FL is equal to mu L into R. What is the FL? FL is generally represented the value of the limiting friction. Capital R, we know that in the previous static friction, that was the represented by the coefficient mu S. In same manner, the mu L is also behave as the coefficient of limiting friction. And capital R, that was the normal reaction force of the body is applied it. If the normal reaction force of the body to be zero or free fall, then person is behave as the weightlessness. That was the mathematical equation. FL is equal to mu L into R. Mu L, that is the coefficient of limiting friction. Capital R, that is the value of the normal reaction force. And FL, that is the value of the limiting friction. That was the total concept. Now we discuss about the another type of friction, that was the kinematic or dynamic friction. What is the kinematic friction? When the person is ride a bicycle with help of their feet and afterward it will be covered at some distance and it is also feel as the person is fatigued. That was the main reason of the friction is applied by the body. The earth is opposite direction of the motion and try to the come about in the rest motion, because pedal applied by the feet and the forces is function at when the body in motion. But we covered some distance, we try to increase our velocity, but a substance is also function at the body in opposite direction, and we are also feel a fatigue because the earth applied a friction in that time in our motion of the bicycle and try to come about in motion, that is behave as the kinematic or dynamic friction. The kinematic or dynamic friction, that was the mathematically represented Fk is equal to mu k into r. That was generally represented by the third dynamic friction. It is denoted by Fk is equal to mu k into r. We know that Fk, that was the value of kinematic friction, mu k, that is the coefficient of the kinematic friction, and capital R, that was the mathematical value of the normal reaction force of the body if the center of gravity will be change the position of our body and person is also feel as the weightless and free fall. That was the total concept of the how will be the friction function at the body and how many types of the friction. That was generally 3 types. That was static, limited, kinetic. Now we discuss it, how will be the friction function at the body in the different terms when the body go rise at the inclined plane or downward direction or behave as the rolling friction in our next video. Until then, goodbye.